Have you ever left your car, especially your Honda Accord, for a while unattended? Maybe you traveled or you took out the battery head and then you start the car and all the error pops up on the dashboard like you can see here. Worry not. This is normal with most of the Honda vehicles. This is because whenever you take out the battery head, it loses the memory for the steering. All it needs you to do is to take the car for a spin, drive it around the neighborhood, and you'll notice that all the errors will disappear and everything will be green. All right. This video here was sent in by one of our clients. He traveled, came back, and the battery had run down, so they replaced the battery, and he started freaking out when he saw all the errors on the dash. So I told him to just take the car for a spin, take it around the neighborhood where he can have the steering turn some good amount, and he did that, and he later called me back that all the errors are now off the dashboard. So whenever you see this on the dashboard, remember not to freak out. Just take the car for a spin and everything will be okay, especially if you can see the ACC and the LCAS lights green. Remember to hit that like button and share. Thank you for watching.